What's up, everybody? I recently moved to a new house here in St. George, Utah, and this is the full home tour. So I'll put on the wide angle lens here. This thing is kind of neat. Okay, so here's the house. It's got a couple trees that we're gonna have to cut out here. It's kind of got a lot of tree action in the front of the house. Let's go inside. All right, here's the entrance to the house. And right off the entrance, this is kind of weird, I think, but we put our exercise room here. This was the best spot for it, but it's a little bit weird off the entry. My wife comes in, she loves Shaun T, exercising, like T25. Have a little exercise pad for her here, and then our fitness stuff there and some weights. We kind of come in here and study the scriptures every morning. Over here, is this my favorite room of the house? It's one of my favorite rooms of the house if it's not my favorite room of the house. Let's see if I can turn you around. 4 clicks, there it is. Okay, this is it. We would call this the sitting room. My office is kind of a weird 3-room suite here. So have chairs. Lightning likes to look out this front window here. Here's an aoudad sheep that I hunted in Texas. It's just, it's the most beautiful animal I've ever seen. Really, really cool. And over this fireplace, I just think it looks really cool. That's a guitar that I really should have learned to play a long time ago, but I don't. My wife does play the piano though. She's great. Here's my main office. This is where I spend a lot of the day, and you'll see filming most of my videos. When I first got in here, it was super echoey, and so I've done a ton to dampen the echo. I mean, you can hear now, like, it's pretty dead in here. I guess we're hearing a little bit of the hall behind me. I've got to close the door. It's hello, hello, hello. It's reasonably dead. So the way we did it is I put a heavy rug with a rug pad down there. And then I added these ceiling tiles here. They're like a dense foam. They're real thin, but they're dense. That really helped to kill the echo a lot on the ceiling. And I just attached them with 2 nails. That 3M tape, that stuff never works. And then I've also hidden them like behind here, behind all this stuff. There are some brown panels there to catch as much sound as possible. All these are full of those brown panels to kind of kill the echo in here. In here, when I get tired of sitting down, I come in here. I have a stand-up desk and a bouncy ball. Kind of reminds me of Dwight Schrute, though. And you just kind of get the light and stuff. It's just a nice place to work here. Here's a wildebeest that I got in Africa. Really incredible animal. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's so dark. This couch is just kind of comfy. Rifles I put here on these closets. I'm getting some deadbolts installed here to keep them safe for reviews for backfire. And then, I love this spot. This is the hallway here. It has this domed arched ceiling here. And then I have some of my photography. I haven't really shown my photography before on the channel, but I ran improved photography for years, so I did a ton of it. So there's that one. This really giant one. I can't really see the reflection right here. There we go. That's a place just a few miles from here. The home's only, 30, 40 minutes away from Zion National Park. And then there's another one of this is probably my favorite picture. You can't really see. It's too bright. I'll cover that light. Probably my favorite picture that I ever took. And then in here's just like a little butler's pantry. It's really handy because we only allow healthy food to go in this fridge and stuff. And so this is just salads and stuff. And then if you go here, you're going to get kid food and stuff. So our kids usually eat at the bar here. Got some dishes to do. And sometimes we'll have family dinners here. but usually we end up eating at the bar. This is where we hang out most of the time as a family. This art piece here is cool. It's 9 feet tall. It's gigantic. But I'm not sure if it goes with the rest of the room, if we need to replace it. I don't know. So anyway, we sit out here a lot. This is probably our main spot. We'll go outside now. Before we moved here, we lived in Idaho, and we were on an acre just out in the country, and we really liked it. So we really wanted to maintain that here. And so the house is on 1.4 acres, and there are a few sitting spots out here, fireplace, and this is where the kids live, in the pool. And there's the back of my office right there. The trampoline, Cole is always showing us impressive tricks on. And it's AstroTurf. I love this. It's so cool. I hate yard maintenance. I hate it. And I shouldn't whine because we usually have a company just to do it anyway. But I think AstroTurf is genius. You don't have to take care of it like a regular yard. We do have some grass in the front just because it looks a little bit nicer, but I love the AstroTurf. I think it's cool. So coming out the back here, I didn't wear shoes and I probably should have. You'll see people riding here. This is a river back here. Our property kind of borders the river here behind those trees. And then this is a city bike path here. And it goes miles and miles, so I like going running there in the mornings. And here's the sports court for the kids. Oh, I hope that wind isn't getting the mic too bad. Sports court for the kids here. And then the horse pasture. Usually our neighbor keeps his horse back there. We don't have a horse yet, but I think we're gonna be doing it. All of our neighbors here have horses and goats and stuff. And so I think we probably better do that. I think it'd be kind of fun, but I don't know, kind of a lot of maintenance. I don't know much about horses, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay, then this is the guest house here. Kind of our outdoor kitchen and stuff. Man, this tour's taking long. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fly through, but it's like an old friend is here and I've got to show you around, right? I've got to trim these rose bushes back. They're like gonna murder somebody coming in. So when we have friends come and stay, it's St. George is a major vacation area. And so we've had a lot of company just in the last few weeks. Here's kind of the guest house. They get their own kitchen, a little cooktop and fridge and dishwasher, bed. We have some extra mattresses in here. We had kids stay here in their own bathroom and shower. And then they have their own laundry room in there. So it's really a nice place for having company. In fact, when I first saw it, I thought, oh, we don't need that. We don't really get many visitors, but it's really nice. We've had a ton of people come, especially during the winter because it's so warm here that people kind of want to come on vacation. All right, andale. So there are 2 sets of stairs, one here and one over there. Laundry, pantry, and bathroom over there. Here's coming up 1 set of stairs. This is the game room, and here kids have their little table here, bar. They can get their snacks and stuff. They have, kind of need to get rid of a couple TVs. We have one here, and then they'll play Fortnite against each other. I'm starting to get okay at Fortnite. It's starting to be fun. This TV has been super cool. It's 90 inches. It's just so big. It's really fun. And we have a Sonos sound system. It's okay. I kind of wish I would have gone with a little bit different of a brand. Another laundry in here. The master is in here, but it's not really set up, so that's not part of the tour, okay? Here's one of my son's rooms. He's our survival guy, so he's got survival, some of the African animals he got. He can go out here and it kind of feels like you need to stand out here in front of the house and be like, the end is near, you know? Something, maybe not. Maybe nobody else feels like that. I don't know. Okay, then we got Cole's room over here. Cole's our Lego enthusiast. I guess you can look down here on the pool and the living room. Here's Faith's room. And Cole's room. I really love these ceilings. All the ceilings are, vaulted in the upstairs, all the upstairs rooms. I think it's really cool. With this vlogs channel, I don't know. I kind of feel like some of this stuff is like, is it cringy? But in the end, I decided, I think on this channel, we want to treat you just like a friend. On the Main Income School channel, it's like, it's a presentation. Like everything's got to be right. It's a big audience. It's important for everybody's business and for ours to get that information. But here, you're just a friend. And so we're going to show you stuff like this. We're going to show you just little bits of things we're doing in work that don't quite make up a whole video. That's what this channel is about. So thanks for coming.